When others join, they will hear everything clearly. So welcome once again to TechPlus Mentorship Academy webinar series. Today we are going to take us through 5 most profitable online business you can do during this lockdown. So let me quickly go into the presentation. As others will join, they will definitely see the screen. So I would like to go straight to the presentation and introduce the program for today. So I did, and then I have Harry, I have Celine and others here. So whatever you have, just at the end of the presentation, you get the room to ask questions and this. So let's go straight to the presentation. Now, we are in the lockdown everywhere, and lockdown is not lockout, and lockdown is not totally drop down. So we are out doing something profitable, and TechPlus Mentorship Academy find it that we keep ourselves engaged and be doing something serious until when the whole world will come back to activity, and by that time you must have added 1 or 2 skills to whatever skills you have. So today, let's quickly go into our series that we have. Let me take us to the screen, and then let's have what we're going to do today. So I will take us quickly to the presentation. Now this is what we're going to be considering today. Well, let's quickly go in. Okay, this is a special presentation today on 5 most profitable online business in lockdown. Okay, and it's brought to you by TechPlus. This is a webinar series of TechPlus Mentorship Academy. So we are going to be looking into what you ought to know and what you ought to do in this series of lockdown. So just pay keen attention. Now, these are the rules. Number 1, please tell any member of your family that you are about to do something that will change your life. You are about to do something that is a life-changing activity, and it's something that you will gain. So let every distraction be kept away from you. In case your phone is on this, then your phone is on ring, then put it on vibration. Yeah, you put it on silent or you put it on vibrate mode. Okay. Now, maximum concentration, please. Make sure that you have a jotter. Make sure that you have a quiet environment. Avoid every background noise, and ask all your questions after the presentation. So let's go quickly to what we have today in the content. Okay. The webinar content, I'm going to run a series that I've been on my webinar from the beginning of this lockdown. Online business success. What you take. We need to look at your devices. We need to look at your skills. We need to look at your mentor. We need to look at your product. When we need to look at your tools or your channels. Okay. Apart from that, the online business concept, we need to look about the secret of the success online. We need to look about the advantage of you being an online entrepreneur, and we need to look about the business. What business can you do online? Then today, we are going to look at today's business is 5 most profitable online business in lockdown. Then we'll look at the success denomination or denominator. Then we look at the offer, and I have a gift for you. So stay to the end of this seminar and look at the gift I'm having for you. So what are we looking at? Today, I am your anchor, and this is me. Maybe we've not met one-on-one, but I've been on several radio stations. I've been on Love FM, Kiss FM. I've been on the and on the series of interview with AIT and so on. So you will get to know me better as we keep on this webinar. So this is Alex Adams, your coach. I am an entrepreneur, technology entrepreneur, and web consultant. I'm a digital marketing consultant, a coach, and a mentor. I am the president of TechLoss Global Services Limited, and I am the founder of TechLoss Mentorship Academy. So you are in the right hand today. I have 18 years experience as an instructor in the Nigerian Navy and 13 years as internet marketing consultant. Okay, so let's go further. Introduction of what we are. We are in the lockdown. The whole world right now is on key. And why? The reason is there is a virus out there, so stay in the house, stay at home. So lockdown, and everyone need to take the opportunity of this lockdown to learn 1 or 2 skills. Yeah, all things are locked down, not data. Data is still flying, internet business is still going on. So today, let's quickly rush into success requirement number 1. Now, you need a good online devices. Online devices, take for example, as you are reaching me right now, you may be reaching me with your phone or your tablet or your laptop or your desktop. Okay, this is one of the device, and then you need another one called the internet service. You need a Wi-Fi or a modem or any internet in your phone or your device. And then this may not be compulsory. You may need a camera. Okay, you may need a web camera or a direct camera to see what is going on right now, or to use in capturing another or any of your business activity. So let's look. These are the devices for your success. In fact, you need a good device and a good internet speed, because most activity now will be done via video marketing. Okay, now let us go to the next. What do you need next as your requirement? Number 2, online business is you need a skill. You need a skill. Number 2 thing you need to be successful online is skills. What kind of skills do you need? You need a creative skills. You need to create a website, create an article, create an environment, or set up a business online. So you need that creative skills to be successful online. And you need a marketing skills, especially digital marketing. Whatever skills you have, you cannot market your skills, you still be poor. Skills without marketing is just poverty in disguise. Okay, you can also learn conversion skills. You can market everywhere, but if you don't have call to order buttons, if you don't know how to convert all your marketing into sales, you are still not going to make it. Okay, then you need to sustain. Some people can start one business today, but tomorrow they are no more in that. They just can't sustain a business. So those are the key skills that you need in your success online. Then let us go further to the requirement number 3. You need a coach. You need a mentor. You need somebody that has already passed through the road before. You need somebody that is doing it and is succeeding. You need somebody that has set up an online business before, and you want to just emulate the person to set up your own online business. You just need a skills or a mentor. Okay. Now, why do you need a mentor? Because iron sharpens iron. It is written in the Holy Scripture that as iron sharpens iron, so a man sharpens the continent of his fellow man. And your mentor can be that your file, the file that you use to sharpen your knife, okay, to give you quick skills, give you quick success online, and you have somebody to consult. You have somebody to fall back to. Then number four requirement is hot selling product. You need to have a product, because no matter your skills, no matter your marketing, no matter your conversion rate, no matter how you have the best mentor in the world, if you don't have any product to sell, you will not still make the money. So you must have product. And some of the products you should look at is digital products, physical products, food. Now, in the lockdown, every other product are locked down, but you can't lock food. If you say there should be no food, nobody will go to any lockdown. So stocking and food, as we are talking right now, food is open. Now, health. All lockdown are there, but all pharmaceutical stores are allowed to open. So health and food, I put those ones in red letter. They are no-go area. People must buy this product anytime. As long as life remains, people will take care of their stomach and their body. So education, finance, family, romance, spiritual help. People need one help or the other spiritually. Technology, politics, many of them. These are hot selling area that you can create your own product. Okay, you can go into entertainment and so on. Then after that, you need to have a tool or a channel. Okay, you need to have a tool or a channel. So the fifth online success requirement is online business tools or communication channels. You need to have it. Now, this is the area I would like us to look at with keen attention. Now, when we talk about tools, a craftsman is only as good as his tools. The same is true with online business owner. A carpenter cannot be better off than his tool. He can't use his bare hand to produce those beautiful furniture. The same thing with online business. You can't just use your mere head to come up with something tangible online. So there are tools that we need to consider when you are dealing with things online. Let's quickly look at the tools to consider. One of the tools you must consider to do your good profitable business online is called website or blog. All businesses today online, they are either on a website or a blog. So you must know how to set up a website or ask somebody to set up a website for you, or how to navigate a website or how to promote a website. That is tool number one. Tool number two, you need to know about your landing pages or your funnels. We call them sales funnels. These are places where you interact with those people visiting the website. You collect their email address, you collect their contact for you to follow them up, and on. So you must have a complete system that will be able to run on autopilot to collect email address and do this thing. So with that, you need an email marketing tools. There are so many email marketing tools there. I have a self-host, and sometimes you can use MailChimp, Aweber, you can use ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, and so on. So you must know how to use this tool called email marketing tools. Another tool you must know how to use are social media tools. You can't spend all your day just sitting, posting and writing and engaging on Facebook or on Twitter or on Instagram. There are some tools you can use to manage your Facebook account, manage your Instagram account. Some of them are listed here. You have Hootsuite and have Later, you have Eggate, you have Course Schedule, and so on. So these are tools you can use for your social media. Then we have graphic design tools. Almost everywhere you look on website today, you are seeing images, pictures, or graphics. So all this, there are tools out there that you can use to manage your graphics. We have Canva, we have 99 Design, we have Penji, and you can outsource to some people in Fiverr and in Upwork. Okay. Now we look about your slide presentation or keynote tools. You can use your Windows or Mac. Then another tools you should consider is project management tools. You must have a system that organizes your project for you online, because things can be cumbersome sometimes. Then we have marketing research tools, especially Google Analytics and Buzumo. They are very, very powerful. You can use Google Trend as a tool to research your market. Then we have communication tools. We have communication tools like Zoom, like Webinar Jam, like Hangout, like Skype. Like I'm using Webinar Jam right now to communicate with you out there. So you must master your tools. And then we have payment processing tools. You must receive money. You should not have just money in the glass. You must have something that will collect your money online in autopilot and credit it into your bank account. Like globally, PayPal is leading, followed by Pioneer. But in Nigeria and in Africa, where I am, Paystack is the one leading. Okay, then you need video channels, YouTube, Vimeo, and other video channels out there. So these are areas that you should consider. And this is a reference link I got from Thinkific, where I saw them talking about importance of tools. Okay, now let's go to the secret. What is this secret? The secret to 6 to 7 figure monthly income online. What lies behind this secret? You hear people say, I make 6 figures, I make 7 figures, I make 8 figures online. So what is their secret? Right now, let me take you through some of the strategy or the secret you can use to attain 6 to 7 figures online, starting from the number of great visitors online. So let's go online. I may go online right now, or I may decide to skip and show you the statistics of world online users. You know, this website, if you just take note of this website down, after this presentation, you can go to the website. You will know how many people are using the whole website a day. You will know the number of people on the internet in the whole world. You can even you can track as many internet users. From there, you will know your chances. Okay. Now look at it as at April that I checked online. The total number of internet users in the world is about 4.5 billion internet users, and the total number of websites, that's why I'm telling you the importance of website. Number of websites is over 1.7 billion websites, the total number of websites. And you see the number of emails sent only today, number of emails that are moving, because that's why I say email marketing is crazy. You have about 100 billion emails sent daily. Okay, you can see how many people are searching the Google per day. Only today, over 1.7 billion people have searched Google per day. And you can see the number of blog posts right now. Over 2 million blog posts has flied today. And look at Twitter, over 279, over 297 million tweets has been sent today. Look at YouTube, and over 2 billion or 2.7 billion videos has been viewed on YouTube today. Look at Instagram, how many photos? Over 32 million photos has been posted on Instagram today. Look at Tumblr and many of them. So if you check, what is your chance? Now look at your chance of making the 6 to 7 figure. For example, taking from today or from this April that we just check on the internet live statistics, we have over 4.5 billion people already online on the internet. So let's run quickly to how you can make your money from off them. Now, per every second, we have over 63,000 searches on Google alone. What are they searching for? They are searching for that thing that you have to offer them. They are searching for a solution. They are searching for how to boost their immune system to be able to withstand if there is a challenge of coronavirus. They are searching for how you can give them one vital information or the other. Now, these are the search per minute, over 3.8 million per minute. And if you check at the search per hour, it's over 228 million per hour. If you check every blessed day on Google, you see over 5.6 billion searches on daily on Google. Now, I want us to concentrate on how many searches per month. We have over 168 billion searches per month. Now, in this 168 billion searches per month, I want you to just have 1% conversion rate at the end of the day. Just convert 1% into your own business. For example, now we go over to your target. You are targeting 168 billion people that are searching Google monthly. And what are you searching for? You are searching 1% of them, which is 168,000 people. That's your target. Now, this 168,000 people, with 1% conversion rate, you have 1,680 people that are converted to buy your product. Let's say your product is sold for only 1,000 naira. Now, 1,000 times 1,680, what will you give you? You will have a sum of 1,680,000 naira monthly from your own product that you are selling through Google alone. This is not just through Facebook. This is not just through other searches, but through Google alone. Now, if you multiply this by year, you discover that annually you are making not less than 15 million on yearly basis, making 1% conversion from what people are searching for on Google. So this is your chance in Nigeria. In Nigeria today, we have over 123 million Nigerians already online. Like, if you look at the world ranking of internet users, we are completely the number 6 internet users in the world. China is the largest internet user, followed by India, based on population, but followed by the United States, and then Indonesia, Brazil. After Brazil is Nigeria. And look, let me tell you what it is a shocking thing today, the number of people using the social media. Let me give you the statistics of the users of internet in Nigeria. Look at the internet users in Nigeria statistics, okay? And the world internet user statistics for Nigeria. Now, we have over 123 million internet users in Nigeria, and 17 million of them are on Facebook, 9 million of them are on Twitter, and 4 million of them are on Pinterest, and we have over 4 million on there again on Instagram, and we have close to 1 million users in Nigeria on YouTube. Now, if you look at this market, you discover that you have high levels of consumers waiting for you to give you their money. Now, let's go to the advantage of internet business lifestyle. Now, you will have time freedom. Take, for instance, now, everybody is not at work, but I just look for a place, just sat here and begin to do my internet marketing. So I can do it from anywhere. I can do it from the comfort of my room. I can even do it from my garden, anywhere I prefer. So I have time freedom. I have location freedom. So you can do this business from anywhere. You can fold your laptop now and travel to Dubai, and your business continue. Then you have job freedom. You don't need to just go and sit inside that hold up or traffic from 9 to 5, trying to please one boss here and there. Once you are good in internet marketing and you are self-dependent, you can decide to be your own boss. Okay, you have financial freedom, and doing internet marketing very well is one of the easiest way to attain to financial freedom. So these are powerful advantage of internet marketing. And to crown it up, very cheap to start, very easy to start, is the cheapest business you can start. With a phone of 20,000 or 15,000 naira phone, you can start your internet business career and grow it into a big business empire. And now, what is the business? What is internet business all about? The internet business is virtually selling anything at all you can talk about, virtually selling anything on the internet. Now, starting from digital product like article, ebooks, graphics, SMS, audio, video, software, apps, and on, you can sell virtually anything on the internet. Okay, you can render any services on the internet, ranging from programming, graphic designing. You can go into web designing, web hosting, online consultancy, social media marketing, blogging, online school, one-on-one training, group training, and so many more. So you can sell all physical things. You can sell anything physical on the internet. You can book food online, health product, and your clothes, shoes, bags, computers, anything. You can even sell your pets online. You can sell dogs, sell cats online. Now, in fact, you can even marry or if there is dating even right now online. So there is nothing impossible online. So internet is the largest market in the world. Okay. Now, how do you supposed to think during this internet age? Now, there is two ways you should think right now in this internet age. And these two ways to think is just simple. Number one way, I would like you to be thinking autopilot, because we are in the time where automation is the buzzword. Everywhere now is talking about automated machines. We're talking about planes without pilots, talking about cars without drivers, we're talking about banks without bankers, we're talking about wireless, keyless, fireless, cashless society. We're talking about autopilot internet income. You just set your business on autopilot. All you need to do is to be checking your account balance. So the 5 simple system, that the 5-step system that practically force you to become successful. This is the autopilot system. Now let us look at why we run this autopilot system. The autopilot system, or the autopilot internet system, give you a proven step-by-step system of setting an automated business from the beginning to the end and be making money without your presence. Okay, you can make money without your physical presence, and you can, it's a universal marketing principle that governs a system of setting up a system to run on its own. It takes you from a beginner to an expert, and you can make money almost immediately. Okay, long-term, dependable, consistent income. Okay, so put your business on complete autopilot today. Then the second way to think in this era is think digital. Okay, we are in the digital age. Okay, we are in the internet age where data sell more than sachet water. To avoid too much of physical product, now that there is lockdown, most physical products are locked down. But if you must do physical product, do networking. Do referral to a physical product. Let the people that will deliver the product take care of the rest. Okay? Focus more on digital product like ebooks, graphics, audio, video, software, apps, and e-products. Okay? Now, let's quickly look at the digital marketing of today. Okay? Name any business that does not have website or blog or any Facebook account, Instagram, Twitter, and I will tell you about that business that does not have a global impact. So for you to have a global impact, you must be online. Now, look at it. Going digital is the most convenient and effective marketing strategy because it has a low startup cost and extensive reach and popularity. Okay, we are talking right now about efficiency and convenience. Any business that does not make you comfortable, is not convenient, does not worth doing now. An internet business is one of the most convenient way of doing business. Now look at the internet and the digital marketing, because many people misinterpret what digital marketing is all about. Digital marketing is not just social media marketing or Facebook and Twitter. It is more far than that. It can be an online business or it can be an offline, because there are so many offline digital marketing out there. Any marketing that involve electronics, that involve electronics devices, take for instance radio, take for instance electronic billboard, television, SMS marketing, WhatsApp, and so on. You are into digital marketing. Using WhatsApp to do your business is digital marketing. Using SMS, using television, using radio, using billboard, electronic billboard. But they are very expensive, very expensive. So the reason why you see the advocacy is all on internet marketing, which is the digital marketing that has to do online, is because it's the most affordable way. Because online business is a secret behind that 18-year-old boy you can see that is sitting in his mother dining room or in their mother living room, earning over $2 million a year playing video games. You can see that the world today has produced multi-billionaires even before the age 30. Mark Zuckerberg is not far from us. He is among those that are deciding the economy of the world today just with internet marketing. He set up a Facebook that all the people of the world today are seeing Facebook as the largest community. So the category of online digital marketing are website marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization. We have search engine marketing, we have social media marketing, and list of them and pay-per-click and so on. So let's quickly dive into what we have in this lockdown. What do we have? 5 most profitable online business you should do in the lockdown. Now, number 1, digital product. You just need to go into digital product. Number 2, online services, online business services. You should provide 1 or 2 services online. Number 3, online training. You should be able to provide an online training like what I'm trying to do right now for free. You should be able to provide an online training for paid courses and people should pay. You should be able to provide online extramural lessons. Those that are preparing for one exam or the other, you should be able to train them online. Okay? Social media marketing, online and stroke online agency. Because you can just run a social media agency where you service people's social media and they pay you for fixing their social media account or running your own social media marketing outfit. Is around. Then number 5 in this is video marketing. With these 5 digital marketing process right now, they are the most profitable online business you can do in this lockdown and beyond. Okay, apart from food and health product, the most selling product right now is data. Every business are locked down except data. Data cannot be locked down. The day they lock down data, that is the day the whole world has gone into silence. Okay, now let's go on. We are in the data economy. Whether you love it or you leave it, we are in data economy. If you must make big money this time around, you must sell data. And what is another name for data? Is called digital. It's called digital. Very soon you hear the whole radio stations, the whole television station in the world are all going on to full digital transmission. So let's go. Number 1, most profitable business to do online. What are we looking at first? We are looking at digital products. Digital products. Now, what are the kind of digital products we're going to look at? There, let me give you some list of digital products you should consider to create as fast as possible. Because as I was telling us in the beginning of this presentation, one of the most vital skills you must have right now, that everybody is in lockdown, is to develop creative skills. Some people have spent so much of their time reading fake news and sharing fake news. You just carry a news that the federal government is giving 5,000 to BVN. Telecommunication network is given 5 gig or 50 gig. All those are distractions and wasting of time in the time like this. What you need to do right now is to activate your creativity, activate your creative skills. And what do we need to start with? Number one, I say ebooks. Number two, I say graphics. Number three, I say document. Number four, I say online courses. Number five, I say audios. Number six, video. Number seven, softwares. Number eight, I say mobile apps. Number nine, I say digital currency like cryptocurrency, e-coins, Bitcoin, whatever coins. And number, I say internet banking or electronics banking. You don't need to own a bank to set up your own electronic banking. Okay, e-trading. You need to how to trade your currency. You trade your currency with exchange of maybe forex trading and so on. Understand? Then you have e-learning, e-ticket, online games, and many more. Anything that is downloadable, anything that anyone can just pay and download, should be your primary focus right now. So how do we go about the first asset we have in digital and let me say in digital product? Ebooks. A book is a transgenerational asset. I can see there are some books right now from 18th century till right now. The books are still selling. They are still selling, and they are selling very well. So one best-selling ebook can sustain your generation to the fifth generation. Ebooks, they are the cheapest. They are the most common digital product available, but they remain the top-selling digital product. Now, let me give you advice on how to create your own ebook as fast as possible. You take down this procedure of creating your ebook. Number one step to creating your own ebook as fast as possible is just get people to interview. Okay, this is a simple way to create an ebook or a physical book with no expertise. Maybe you are not an expert. Just look for the expert. Number one, interview a certain number of experts in a particular field. Maybe experts in dog rearing, those are rearing dogs, or those that are maybe into fish or poultry or whatever. I don't know the area you like to write a book on. Okay, maybe you want to write a book on financial advice. Get like 20, 30, 50 people that are good in financial management. Then you interview them. Okay, once you interview them on maybe audio interview, you transcribe the interview. You just go and put it into writing, this audio. And if it is just a write-up they send to you, you edit the write-up according to what they say. And then you may just decide to create the cover, create the title, and publish it. You have a book ready. But the problem with this is how easy is it to get the number of people to interview, agree to be interviewed for your ebook. So this isn't always easy at all. I have a friend called Latif Olajide. We call him the rich kid then in 2008. One of the best online entrepreneurs as far back as 2007, 2008. He wrote a book without him writing one letter in the entire book. And the book makes sales of 7-figure then in 2007, 2008. 7-figure ebooks on dog bite prevention. Okay? But he just interviewed in America about 20 to 30 people that has different kind of wild dogs, and how do they prevent those dogs from biting people. And those people just send him the copy of their own version of how they prevented their dog from biting. And that thing came up with a powerful book on dog bite prevention. Then number two, we have number two, which I call the dirty way of writing an ebook. Although when I use this dirty way to write book most time, I use those books as a gift or as a bonus for my membership site, and not just a book for sale, except the book is properly rearranged. Number one, you go to this article directory called InZineArticles.com, and you pick a particular subject that you would like to write about. There are many categories there. Maybe you want to write about home-based business in lockdown period. You pick category called home-based business, search for article on that subject called home-based business, then collect 50 to 70 articles on that, and then get the email of the authors of this article and tell them that you want to write a new ebook. Should they permit you to use their article on that? Once you mention ebook, they will tell you that, okay, you are permitted. At least 70% of those people will say yes when you mention ebook. Just all you need to assure them is that their contact and their rights will not be removed. Then just compile each of these articles into logical format and put your terms and conditions, and you are now done with an ebook, or a book is ready, and then you publish that book with the topic of your choice. Then you are good to go. Another third way I do write an ebook as fast as possible, maybe within a day, is I do product review. Maybe Techno or Infinix is out, I just write more about the choice of mobile phone. I review different products, put them in MS Word, and with different description image. I put title on them, arrange them in chapters, and then design the e-cover. Once the e-cover is up, put my price tag and sell them. The book is ready. Then number 4 way I put up an ebook is my personal story. You have a personal story. No man, nobody living today that does not have a personal story. So all you need to do is compile all your personal story and come up with a book. If I should tell you my story, how I started from the ghetto, I started from somebody doing scavenging, packing waste bin, discarding, and to get to a point of becoming a recognized internet marketer. It's a big story that I'll just gather my personal story, put your topic on it, arrange the stories in chapter, design a cover on your story, and you sell. But if you are a blogger like me, one of my ebook I'm going to show to you right now is articles on that blog. I just put the article, put all the fantastic blog posts together, and then pick a title of that blog post, put a title on it, arrange them in chapters, and put your design, cover design, and you are good to go. Then number 5 way of getting an ebook up and running is to pay a ghostwriter. Now, get your topic, tell them the keywords that you are going to be using all through the book, and then hire a writer or any freelance person and get a full book. Up you go. But to save cost, you need to just tell your ghostwriter that you need so number of articles. Just tell them you need certain number of articles in certain areas of keywords. Once the articles are ready, put title, gather your article, rearrange them, put title and chapters in all your article, and rearrange yourself. Get another person again, maybe another ghostwriter to design the e-cover for you. Once the cover is designed, put the cover on the book and your book is ready, you fly. So this is example, sample of the ebook. I wrote this one myself. I designed the e-cover myself. I am already an expert in all the design and this, so I don't need somebody to help me put this together. This is one of my website online, Daily Profit Online. So I just decided to write a book very fast on Daily Profit Online, fast track, how to earn spendable cash daily online. Then I added plus my internet business mastermind, which is, you can see it by Alex Adams. This one is a free gift on my website and my Daily Profit. So that is how to put up an ebook, a free ebook like this. And here you go, you put your graphics, you start selling. Okay. Now, apart from that, how to get other digital product to be designed for you. Simple. Learn the skill right now. If you don't have the skills, take up a course quickly or hire a freelancer, pay a freelancer to write the book for you. But if you want to pick a course, let me show you some of the courses you need to pick very, very fast. If you want to take a short course right now in this long lockdown on things that will make you money very fast, some of the courses you need to pick on very fast right now, or if you already know them, to brush on them are: one, you need Photoshop or CorelDRAW, graphics knowledge, okay? Because in the list of those digital products I told you, graphics are one of the hot selling area. Those that are graphic designer make high good earning online. So you need to brush up your Photoshop knowledge or your CorelDRAW knowledge, or you just decide, I don't have that time. You outsource the work, maybe design a banner for me or design a book cover for me. Somebody can design a book cover for you for as low as $5 up to $50. It depends on the designer of the e-cover. Okay. Then another knowledge you need to learn is how to use Keynote for those that are using MacBook out there. If you know you are using Mac notebook for laptops, then you use Keynote. But person like me, I'm using Windows here. I use PowerPoint presentation. We call it Microsoft PowerPoint. So you need to learn, because what you are seeing on the screen right now is a slide that is prepared using Microsoft PowerPoint. So go and brush on your Microsoft PowerPoint. I saw in some online marketplace where single design of a slide for a business, for a profile business, single design of a slide is going for as high as $1,000 to set up a slide. So if it is only setting up slide for some company or for some organization that are going for presentation, you are in good money if you are good in slide presentation preparation. You can prepare a slide for marketing, you can prepare a slide for training, you can prepare a slide for any. So your fee can start from $50 to even $500 for a single slide that you prepare. Okay, now other area of skills you need to work on very fast is communication tools, internet communication tools, or training communication, presentation communication tools like Webinar Jam, which I'm using right now. You can go to Webinar, you can use Webex and Zoom. Zoom is even common right now. Most trainers that are doing presentation out there use Zoom. The major reason why I don't do much of Zoom is because of the background noise and the excess distraction. You know, everybody are coming up with their videos and the background noise. So I use Zoom specifically for my interaction video, but for my special training, I use Webinar Jam. Okay. Then finally, you need to have a camera. Okay, a camera. It can be a web camera. You can see a camera provision for your phone. I have phone hangers and phone tripod cameras, and then you can decide to go for Meccano or any of the camera if you are deeply involved in high definition graphics. So these are areas that you need to take a short course right now, that in this lockdown period that we're in. Now, let's go further to one of the best way to learn how to create digital product. Techlos Mentorship Academy, that is giving you this training today, is also training people on short courses like 1 week course, 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year course on any kind of digital skills that you would like to acquire. So at the end of this training, you may be given an opportunity to pick a particular offer. Okay. Number 2, most profitable online business you need to look at this time. Let's go. Online freelance service. You can sell your skills. You can sell that knowledge. You can sell that your article writing skills. You can sell whatever idea you have. All you need to do, one of the fastest way to make money online is, selling your skills. Making money online in times like this is to trade your skills and time. Most people have plenty of time right now. I don't see reason why somebody will say, I am bored, I am boring, the whole lockdown is boring. Use this time to get skills. If you don't have skills, and if you already have the skill, use this time to sell your skills. There are people out there online that want somebody to write for them, that want somebody to type for them, that want somebody to design for them, that want somebody to create a website for them. Use this time out to get more skills. Okay. Now, where do I get, what areas of skills are people looking for? Before I'll take you quickly to where you get freelance writing job. Let me give you some areas. Fast. Right now, most businesses, right now you can see over 1.7 billion websites. Most businesses, immediately after this lockdown, they will realize that they must be online. They must have a web presence. So learning how to set up website for people should be one of the primary skills you should develop as fast as possible in this lockdown. Each website that you design for people out there, if you are good at it, a single website can give you a profit of 500,000 to 1 million, especially if you are designing a website for the government or for a very big organization. Okay. And if you are designing even website for individual, the lowest profit margin of setting up a website, if the individual know the value of a website, the lowest profit margin you should be expecting is 25,000 naira per each website. So web design or setting up a blog for a company or for organization or individual is one of the skills area you need to give. Another area is updating website. Some people already have a website, but updating it, commenting on it is always their problem. So you must learn how to update a website or how to comment on a website. You get paid for that. Another area is article writing, article rewriting, or article proofreading. There is big money for it. The lowest you see people write a single 200 to 250 words article right now is $5. But there are some website owners that pay as high as $100 for a single 1,500 words article that you are writing on their website. So some people also may have some write-ups that they want to check the spellings or they want to rewrite it to suit their organization. So you can rewrite articles for people or proofread articles for people. Then technical report writing or ebook writing. You can write ebook on behalf of organization and firms. Okay. Now, people can give you contract to write ebook for them. We have copywriting or sales book or sales page. Copywriting is the marketers or the industry that they want you to write a sales copy for them. Okay, sales copy, a copy that can convert a prospect into customer. Though you must learn those skills. You must learn skills of writing business plan. You know, people can charge as high as 100 to 200,000 naira for you to write out a hot selling business plan for them or special report. You can write project researching. A student that are in university or polytechnic or institution want to set up a project, you can help them with project research. We have graphic designing. Graphic designing is still appearing here because it's a wholesale, and I'm telling you that you can also make good money by preparing PowerPoint slides for people, PowerPoint presentation. Now, the hot or the heat money area, which have to do with higher skills, are programming and app development. You can also make money with coding and many more. So there are many more. These are what people are paying heavily to have in this lockdown. So sell your skills and make more money. So where do I get this article writing job? So, but before then, be careful. Okay, let me caution you before we go into where you get this article writing job. You must have the required skills. Okay, ensure you have that required skills before attempting any service job. Because if you render any poor service from the beginning, it will tarnish your image and your reputation. It will give you a bad start where people will know you as a bad service provider. Okay, now let's go to areas to get these online jobs. Where can I get these online jobs from? Are there websites where somebody can start online jobs? Yes, there are. Let me show you few of them, and there are many more. Upwork. I will show you some people that are making good money from Upwork soon. Then we have Fiverr.com, we have Freelancer.com, we have FreelanceWriting.com, we have Elance.com, and we have Guru.com, and many of them like that, which like this Top Tile, 99 Design, Flex Job, and so many. Now, these people are ready to give you clients that are looking for writing job, for design job, for whatever kind of job that I have listed up there for a certain fee. Now, let's go. How much do you want per hour? I want to show you in Upwork. In Upwork, this is a Nigerian here, Oluwaseun. What is he charging? Oluwaseun is charging $125 per hour. $125 per hour. How much do you want per hour right now, wherever you are? 1 hour is $125. Please convert it. If it is just $100 per hour, right now you want 36,000 naira or 37,000 naira per hour. So why are you complaining that you are in lockdown or you are boring? So let me look at another project called Gig in Fiverr. Now, this is a lady I've ever contacted to be writing a post on my blog and on my website. Now, this a simple lady. Now, look at it. What she's saying for her basic charge to just post a 200-word articles on my website. Okay, just 200 words article, maybe 2 or 3 articles on my website. She charged $50 per article per post. $50 per 3 posts. 3 posts, $50. So what do you want per post as a lady that you're talking? So look at it. Another one. Let me show you where more professional work. More professional work. Okay. Now this is per project now. It's Fiverr. This Fiverr now is a pro, and in the pro, look at its premium version. of setting up. What is it setting up for somebody? I will build a top-notch WooCommerce online store for you. For how much? Look at here. Look at how much it's going to build it. It's going to build it for $2,200 to build a WooCommerce website that it will not take Techlos more than 2 weeks or 3 weeks to teach you how to build all this type of website. And look is how much you charge per each of the website you build as a pro. You charge 2,200 naira for building a website. Now, these are great opportunity, you know, but all you need to do to approach a freelance job, number one, you should know the area of your strength. Okay, how to approach these freelance jobs. Number one, know the area of your strength. If you are good in graphic design, concentrate. If you are good in web design, concentrate. Whatever area. Then number two, write out your convincing CV or profile. That is your resume. What you are capable of doing, because the person will ask you to submit your resume or your CV. Okay. Then state your previous jobs and your previous experience. Okay. Peradventure, you say you don't have one before. If you have any blog or you have anybody you have ever written anything for before, just use them as your reference. Then offer to even write for the person a free article to see your handwork as a bait if you know you are a good writer. Okay. Then know how much you will give as a price. Then know the deadline that you are going to give, and know how to write in MS Word and convert them in zip folders and deliver them. Okay, these are some of the few ways you can handle your online jobs. Now, there are some areas of big job offers. There are some websites. Those websites are exclusively for our members. We show them where they can get high-paying job for as high as $100 to $3,000 per project, especially in web development, software development, app development, and coding. Okay. Now let's go quickly to the number number 3. Okay. Now this one is purposely in case you want to enroll in Techlos Mentorship Academy to learn freelance and service and agency. We are up there for your service. So let's go to number 3. Number 3 online profitable business online that you need to consider as fast as possible is online training. Okay, online training. You need to know how to use online training. The current reality is you need to know where we are. This is a current reality. People get to adjust to it. Online schools, online courses, online seminar, online instructors, online coaching and consulting. Everything after this lockdown will be majorly online. People are going to get used to online as we are getting out of this lockdown. So get yourself ready to do online. Okay, look at Everto. This is one of the biggest online business schools where you can learn so many online skills. They are the 6th top any website in the world. They are membership site that train people on online business. You see, they will teach you how to handle videos, how to handle audios, how to do design coding. Now we don't have to take much of our time there. If you want to learn online online program or how to become a good online instructor, Techlos Mentorship Academy is open to give you a comprehensive training on we call LMS, which is learning management system software to become a top online business person. Okay, soon physical schools will soon be folding up. So at Techlos Mentorship Academy, we give detailed training on online coaching and online business training. So let's go to number 4. profitable business online. Social media marketing. Okay, you have to become very good right now on social media. Most people staying at home right now, majority of them don't have a good thing doing with their time than to spend most of their time on social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. So you have to learn these online skills. Now, Facebook, especially in Facebook, is the largest community in the world right now. Is the largest community in the world. So the heart of digital marketing right now is social media marketing. It is the largest community on the face of the earth. Now let me show you how. In 2018, in 2018 alone, Facebook has grown into 2.1 billion active users with Twitter, with YouTube following with 1.5 billion active users. Now, WhatsApp is running fast and is running faster than all of them. WhatsApp is running at 2018 with 1.4 billion, while Facebook Messenger and the Facebook, let me say, messengers and message is 1.3 billion. Now, at 2018, we already have 800 million users on Instagram and over 560 on LinkedIn, and then we have 300 million on Twitter and 150 million on Pinterest. Now, let's look at 2019 when the thing has started growing, because this is your monthly customer and your monthly target. Okay? Now, look at it. The thing just kept growing. In 2019, Facebook has jumped into 2.38 billion, while Twitter 333 million. Twitter did not grow faster than that, but LinkedIn grew to 610 million. But look at Instagram. Instagram is already 1 billion. 1 billion instantly. Then we have on Facebook Messenger 1.3 billion and Pinterest 265 million. So now this is your largest opportunity. So what do you need to do right now if you don't have? Create your Facebook account. Okay, create your social media account. Create minimum of 5 social media accounts. These 5 social media I just showed to you. Create account on all of them. On all of them. Okay, you can leave the switch chat or but everything here. Create an account. Okay, now create your social media account. Socialize with people. That's how to do it. How to go about it. Get your product and services, sell them, or get trained on how to do the social media marketing. So in our next series of training and webinar, we shall be taking you through top 8 social media platform that can earn you good money. And we'll also train you on how to become a social media agency and how to manage social media account for people. Okay, you need minimum of 5 different types of social media account. Okay, create your Facebook, start with Facebook, create your profile, and then socialize with people. The next, create your Facebook fan page, create your business page and update and make it look professional. Update your content and put your good image and graphics and video, attract likes and followers, and introduce your product and services. So on Facebook fan page, this is how to go about it. Create an ad, then fund your account through PayU, and up you go. Your Facebook is already up and hot. Now, because of time, I can't break up all into details, but let me go to the secret. Okay, the secret is in sales funnel. Okay, the secret is in sales funnel. Before we go to the number 5, the secret is in sales funnel. Now, this is the secret of the top millionaires in the whole world. I won't hide the secret for you. The top money makers in the world are people that learn how to create funnels. Okay, You know how to create awareness, interest, consideration, intent, evaluation, and purchase. You drag people into buying, maybe business to business or business to customer. Search for information, learn about product, buyers examinations, and so on. So you consider pulling people into sales funnel. Now look at the typical sales funnel of a digital marketer. Okay, a typical sales funnel. Look at this. These are people dropping from Instagram, from Twitter, people dropping from Facebook. All of them are dropping into your funnels. At the end, they are turning into coins. They are turning into heavy money. These are leads and profit traffic. You generate all this traffic, you generate them. Make sure that the traffics you are going to generate, they are all going into a sales funnel. If not, your social media marketing is just a waste. But this is the kind of funnel that I design. This is my own personal type of funnels. I have a web page like this from my website. I give you a book and I ask you for more information. I send you to a sales page with video and I ask you to order. And then I also send you again to my one-time order. If you have something to upgrade into my mentorship or my membership, I take you to my confirmation page, and all the business and the follow-up continue through email and SMS marketing. Okay, now this is a simple sales funnel. So to join a sales funnel mentorship training, after this presentation, we can talk about your creating a hot selling sales funnel. Sales funnel is a secret of people. You see them saying, I make $1 million every day. I make $1 million every day is just what is the number of leads that you are having. How many people do you have in your contact list? There is no way, if you have 1 million people in your contact list, that you are sending their email on daily basis, that out of the 1 million, that 10,000 will not buy. And if the 10,000 of them will buy products, where maybe, let me say 10,000 people buying a product of $100, you are going to be making $1 million on a daily basis. So let's go further to the money-making system that we need to end up with. It's called video marketing. Okay, the video marketing is the king. Video marketing is the king. So with video marketing, you are in the full control of the trending marketing. Video marketing is the largest market so far now, immediately after social media marketing. Okay, more people have trust because they have seen what they are looking for on video marketing than any other thing. So these are the 5 marketing that I have for you in this lockdown. Okay, the video marketing. Okay, rounding up. So let's quickly see what you have to get after this whole exercise. Okay, now all this training, you need a video marketing training to create an online video, create a channel, and how to make money with this. You can earn up to $1,000 to $10,000 monthly as a YouTuber if you are dedicated to it. So, okay. So how do I make money from video marketing? So you get all your detailed training for your mentorship academy. So from the list of what we have just treated today, number 1, among all the things that were treated before a roundup. Okay. The list of all that we have treated today, we have treated digital product, online services, which is freelance. We have treated social media marketing, online courses, and video marketing. But let's rush through the bottom line before I give you our offer. What is the bottom line? Traffic, visitors, members. Now, your business cannot make money without traffic. Okay, the bottom line of all the hottest money-making system online is traffic. Okay, now whatever is your business online, traffic is the blood of every online business. Okay, Whether you are doing advert marketing, affiliate marketing, or whatever the marketing you are, the top earning business in the whole internet, the real blood of those business is traffic. Now, let me show you how traffic works. There are two primary strategies of getting traffic. You either get paid traffic or free traffic. You either get Google AdWords or organic traffic, but just apply the guerrilla marketing to get your traffic. Now, this is the old way of getting traffic. Number one, you have your website, you write an article or you buy an article, then you submit the article to directory, or then you go to maybe post the article to your blog, then you go to send newsletter, and all of them will start generating arrows and flyings of traffic from all corners into your website. But there is a conventional way of doing this thing right now. The conventional way, which is the digital marketing style of generating traffic. All this area, all these are coming into this from what? From Facebook and Instagram, then from maybe LinkedIn and Twitter, then from Pinterest, and then from maybe Google and YouTube. These are the heartbeat of traffic. These are the areas that we have today. So before we go, it's time for you to take action. Okay? You are very special and you deserve more after this presentation. Are you ready to take action now? If you are ready, what is the biggest question that we ask for the online success? What is the common denomination in all super successful internet business people you have ever met? Number one, you want to know it? Okay, I will give you the answer now. The answer is mentorship. A mentor and the right tools. Once you have the mentor and you have the right tools, in online, you will definitely make good money. Most people online, they have the tools, they don't have the mentor. They have the mentor, they don't have the right tools. But if you have the tools and you have the mentor, you will definitely make good money. So, a common success case study online, you just need a mentor and the right tools. You need to take the action. You don't just stay and you stay focused. You just be determined for your success, be disciplined to your success, and be accountable. Don't waste any time. You use all your time and have a mastermind. Definitely, you'll make good money online. Now, this is my offer for you, Tech Plus Mentorship Academy, because I don't think in 2 hours we can teach you what we have learned for 10 to 15 years. So we will take a quality time in our academy to show you how to grow your business or how to make good income online. So let's go. Tech Plus Mentorship Academy, we have levels of membership. Number one level is called a starter. Maybe you just want to start. You don't have any idea of online business before. You just want to start something. You have a starter for you for people that are starting. Then maybe you have this basic background and you want to improve on your basic background online. We have a basic training for you. Then we have people that are already into business or they want to start physical business and they want to set up an e-commerce store or start buying and selling physical goods. We have e-commerce level for you. Then we have those that are digital membership. Those people, they are already into digital and they already know what the importance of digital is and they want to invest more into digital marketing. Then we have the digital marketing level for you. Then we have masters. Those are people that want to become a webmaster, want to be blog masters, want to become Facebook masters, and want to master one program or the other. We have this and that for you. Then we have those that want to start a pro, they want to become a pro. We have pro for you. Now, we have another level called the expert. These experts are people that want to partner with us. Now, these are our offer that we have. Okay. Now, these are our membership level offer that we have for you in TechPlus Mentorship Academy. Let us give you a little breakdown about them. Okay. Now, starter membership is very, very affordable. So affordable that the starter membership is even less than $10. Okay, with less than $10, which is 2,500 naira, you can start a starter membership, which is 1 week training, 1 week solid training. And what are you going to learn? In 1 week, you will be having online business conversation with TechPlus Mentorship Academy. You have our consultation on Skype, on WhatsApp, on phone, and on emails. And we'll be taking you at least 2 free Zoom conference seminar with free online businesses like affiliate marketing training on Zoom, and then you have showing you secret to making 120,000 to 360,000 naira extra income monthly through TMA affiliate marketing. I will be showing you 10% commission paid to all our referrals. I will be showing you compensation for weekly draw on our empowerment for performance and referrals we make. This one is just for 2,500 naira only for those that will join. Now, number 2 is called the basic. On the basics, we have 2 weeks access to specialized training skills, and the 2 weeks specialized training skill will cover freelance consultation and on Facebook, on Twitter, on our WhatsApp and phone consultation, and we have 3 free Zoom video conference training on freelance jobs, and 2 freelance service and online job training on Zoom. So this one too will show you the secret of how people like you can earn $100 to $1,000 extra monthly income from freelance jobs. And we are giving you 15% affiliate commission on any referral you made to us. In this also, we are giving you empowerment compensation for any draw, weekly draw, which can be a phone, or it can be any small device that can help you enhance your business. Now, we also have the e-commerce part of it. The e-commerce part of our training or mentorship level is just 4,500 naira, which cover 1 month access to e-commerce and mini importation mentorship training. We'll show you how to import this for any part of the world. 1 month free mini importation consultation on Skype and WhatsApp, on phone, on email. We also have 2 live training on e-commerce, mini importation, local drop shipping, and local logistics and webinar Zoom. We have free recorded webinars on Zoom, web conferences, hot selling, product search, profit strategy, and so on. Now, I also have the secret to earning 350 to 1 million naira on mini importation. We'll be sharing to you how some of our students were making not less than 200 to 300,000 naira or every 2 weeks on mini importation. So these are it has a 15% affiliate commission I will share with you. Now, we have also performance compensation for every weekly draw, which may be a phone or any mobile device that can help enhance your business. Then number 4, we have the digital marketing membership. This digital marketing membership covers access to digital marketing courses, digital marketing training, digital marketing product creation, and social media marketing training, video marketing training. And we have 2 months free consultation on Skype, WhatsApp, phone, and emails. And we also have 4 live training on digital product creation, digital marketing, social media marketing, and video creation on our webinar Zoom. So we also have 8 free recorded webinars on Zoom conference on how to start your own money-making digital products and selling them. All these are packed together in our digital marketing mentorship. Now, in our other series of mentorship is the webmaster. you have to, we'll create a website for you with a membership also. Now, this one has 3 months access for the 45,000 naira. You have a website and a 3-month access, and then the blog marketing and sales page, advert marketing, Google AdSense and affiliate marketing, social media marketing, 3 months consultation. We have 6 months training on blogging, web marketing, ad marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and so on. Then we have 12 free recorded webinars on Zoom and conference on how to make money creating digital products and selling them on digital marketing. Now, this also has 20% affiliate commission referral that you made to us, and share secret of earning 6 to 7 figure monthly on blogging with your own due diligence. Then we have the Pro, which is 75,000 naira for 6 months. And in these 6 months, what you have blogging, you have advert marketing, you have sales funnel and conversion, you have lead marketing, you have digital product creation, then you have digital marketing training, you have social media marketing loaded. Almost more than half of our courses with 6-month free consultation, 12-month live training, 12 live training on Zoom and Webinar Jam. We have 24 free recorded courses for you. This 6 months is power packed and is loaded. I bet you your 75,000 naira worth something that will make you a lifetime fortunes for online. So these are the training that is in our Pro membership. Within that 6 months, with due diligence, if you are smart, you will make up to 100% return of your investment. Now, the expert, which is the partnership level that we have in TechPlus. Join the expert partnership level in TechPlus. You have 1 year partnership with us, and in this 1 year partnership, we are going to create 1 year unlimited website for you. Everything in starter, everything in basic, everything in affiliate, everything in e-commerce, everything in digital mentorship, everything in master, everything in Pro, and you now have coaching and consulting training. You now have network marketing training. You now have joint venture partnership with us, meaning we can set up your own online business for you. I help you run it. I help you make profit. Some of the people that did this JV with us make this their 120,000 back within a week. So this one, we have 28 hot online courses attached to it. We have 52 live training within that year on webinar, on Zoom, on physical meeting for the 1 year. And we have unlimited consultation on Skype, on WhatsApp, on this. And we have annual exotic trips. And so our car award is also coming out soon. This with 25% partnership. This is our full combo bonus that you can't afford to miss. If you partner with us 120,500 today, you are sure that within the next 1 year, you will be in big time online business. So my gift. Now, in this webinar that we have just finished, these 5 courses, each of them worth 5,000 per course. Each worth 5,000 per course. Each of them. The online product creation is 5,000. The online courses is 5,000. The freelance service is 5,000. The social media training is 5,000. The video marketing training is 5,000. All together is 25,000. But for just 10 people that will contact me immediately after this training, they are going to have this whole training for the next 1 week. They are going to have this entire training for 5,000 naira only. So I want you to be the first to indicate immediately after we log out of this. So to get our account details, our account detail is Zenith Bank 101 59 8384 and 9. And we have GT Bank. The name of the account is TechPlus Global Services Limited. And we have GT Bank as or display on the screen. And we also have, immediately after the payment, you notify us and through this number on WhatsApp or on call, and we'll answer you immediately. Thank you very much. This is our contact. You can contact us on this line on call, contact us on WhatsApp, or send us an email or visit our website, and you are welcome. Thank you very much for your rapt attention, and thank you from mentorship, from TechPlus Mentorship Academy. Feel free to tell a friend about TechPlus Mentorship Academy and earn 10% to 25% commission. And we have some freebies gift for our people from month to month and from time to time, which is phones and other things. So with love from Abuja, my name is Alex Adams, wishing you a successful internet business journey. Thank you very, very much. Tell friends, share this with others. Tell them about TechPlus Mentorship Academy. Tell them about Online Business Success by TechPlus Mentorship Academy. Share our webinar with your friends. Share our next webinar with your friends. Tell them to go to techplus.com/webinar and they will see our next set of webinars. Thank you very much for your rapt attention once again.